My first memory of music was at age 2. I remember every night my mother would tuck me in bed and sing lullabies to me. Ever since that time, music has been such an important part of my life. I've lived in Mumbai all my life, and this city is incredibly close to music. Well, of course, because of Bollywood. Music has been so close to me, and I can't imagine my life without it. From the pink Barbie plastic phones that played Dhoom Machale, I have learned to enjoy music in every aspect of life. In school, I wasn't always good at maths, and I remember I used to hate it, but I still decided to study it till the 10th grade. My parents soon realized that every time there were sounds of music coming out of my room, I was studying math, and so nobody dared to disturb me. I soon realized that music was like meditation and therapy for me. It calmed my nerves before any tough exam and made me realize that I could do anything that I put my heart into. I'm not always good at expressing how I'm feeling or talking about my emotions, but that's how music helps me. When my words fail, music becomes my language. I'm a teenager, and as you guys know, being a teenager in this day and age is not very easy. We have so much to do and so little time. So many expectations, and we're never really asked if we're okay just being who we are. And I figured that in this tone of negativity, we should just turn up the volume and let music take over our soul. I remember just after my board results were out, all my cousins, family, and friends, they all called me to congratulate me. But everyone had a similar question. They asked me, okay, beta, your results are great, but what next? Have you thought of any career options, anything that you want to do? And I remember not having any answer because I was very stressed. And that's okay because I'm still a kid and I'm still learning. But music made me realize that I shouldn't worry about tomorrow when all I have is today. Now, when I talk about music, I don't mean to say that you have to be a great instrumentalist or a great singer and part of a big band. All you have to do to enjoy music is understand the lyrics and know how much hard work and effort goes into creating that masterpiece. There are so many genres of music. There's pop, rock, indie, rap, EDM, Bollywood, and so many different languages. And that's precisely one of the reasons why I've never met anybody who hates music or dislikes it. There's something for everyone. So when you see me with both earbuds jammed into my ears, just know that I'm in a different place. I'm in a world where I'm completely free and in tune with my emotions. So unless it's very important, don't make me yank out my headphones just so I can listen to you. Let me escape into this world where I'm completely free. And if it's still very important and you have to talk to me, then at least wait till the beat drops. Thank you.